Vegetable soup want to go down. Let's make this Nigeria vegetable soup. What's going on, baby? How you guys doing? I have my sweet onions, white and red onions. I'm gonna chop them. I have bell pepper and fresh tomatoes, the yellow one and the red one. All right, this is how I'm going to cook my amazing vegetable soup. I hope that you guys will enjoy the aroma the aroma of this soup. And looking at the soup just help me to enjoy it. Then what we will be using to eat this vegetable soup is pounded yam, original pounded yam. Then the rest of them we can use rice to eat it, you know. That is just it. Guys, this is sea fish. I've already boiled it. I bought it from the market. So it's just like when we are using periwinkle to cook. So we call it kose. I want to use it to cook my vegetable soup. I've already boiled it. Then I have to remove and clean everything. Remove all of them. Then use it for our vegetable soup.